myself Johnsonkeyz. Okay, so today we're going to be learning how to use the minor 11 voicings in the key of F. So let me quickly show you the chords, right? So I'm not just playing stuff you don't understand. So we have a F. The key of F has a F, G, A, B, B flat, C, D, E, F. Most of you already know that. We have the F triad. I believe you know that if you are watching this video. We have the F major triad, right? Then we have a F minor triad, which has the minor third. So don't forget, you remember when you were learning, then they say the major sounds happy, the minor sounds sad. If you remember, if you were told that, write it in the comment section. All right, so now let's build it. We are not done. This is just a minor triad. Not complete. Now let's build it to minor 7th, 5, 6, 7, minor 7, right? So that's E flat. So, but we are not going to stay here. We are going to minor 11. So this is 7, flattened 7, right? When I say 7, I mean flattened 7. Now this is not 8. This is 8. We are not going to 8. This is 9. Let's hold that. This is 10. In case of minor, we are building from minor scale. This is 11. So this is the chord we are using. So this chord, we're going to learn how to use this chord on 6-5-1 progressions and some other progressions. But we are not going to be playing it in this root position, just like when you learned major 7th. But it is not every time you just slam major 7th and you come like this. You can play this inversion, you can play this inversion. Back into the key of F. So now this is the chord we are learned, right? Now I want to use this chord. So I'm going to play this chord like this. Let me play. Now let me call out the notes. The same notes, but I spread them. So now let me call out the note. We have a F, C, G. We have a flat. We have E flat. We have G, and we have B flat. This same chord. That's what we turn to this. So because it makes sense like this, this voicing sounds mature. So by watching this, you can just learn this, take it down. Woo! So you can learn this chromatically by just taking it up, down, back to our chords. Yeah, so but I've just tried to explain the chord. Now let me show you the application I want to show you. So I'm going to use this chord in the key of F for 6-2-5-1. 6-2-5-1 is 6-2-5-1-4. Yeah, circle of 4. You have a D, G, C, F to this thing. You will play something like this before. Or most people play this. Or okay, so let me know. I play. All right, so I'm going to be showing you for the sound 6-5-1. So we're going to be using the minor 11 chord voicing for D, right? For D, which is this chord. We have I'm holding. You can skip some of these notes, but I'm just holding them on the left. These ones you can see. Yeah, these guys. So I have a D, F, A, E, then F, C, E, and G. So then you take that down chromatically to D flat, A flat, E flat, E, B, E flat, and let me say F sharp for now. Then to C, G, D, E flat, B flat, D, and F. So together we have first chord. Can you follow me? No. All right. Study them again then. Follow me. So that's 6, 2, 5, 1, 1. The 1 is a major 13, dominant 13 chord rather. That's a F and E flat on your left. Am I right? Yes. Then E flat, G, B flat, and D. So we have a. So let the power of the Holy Ghost follow me. When you play chords like this, the power of the Holy Ghost will actually fall. That's just it. Yeah. Imagine this. When the power of the Holy Ghost fall, it will fall a little bit. Imagine this. That the power of the Holy Ghost follow me. Anointing follow me. So I hope you'll be able to learn some of these stuffs. See you again in my next video. Some of the other chords I played, I've explained them in my tutorial. So you need to watch many of my other tutorials. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. I love you. God bless you.